Japan is turning footsteps into electricity.
Yo, what's up? Are you remembering this? I'm pretty sure we have all heard about it by now. Japan is turning footsteps into electricity. Japan is turning footsteps into electricity. Japan is turning footsteps into electricity. Oh, really? We all were probably online scrolling on Instagram, and all these captions were like, Japan is turning footsteps into electricity. It's got nothing to do with the video, but it was the caption of every video. Now it's like, tonight, Ed THV took a 10, Ed blah blah blah. Why? And instead of reading the text, where it actually says what this is about, we all kept scrolling, of course. So, today I'm gonna tell you about it. I think we all know now that Japan is turning footsteps into electricity. But was this the actual story behind it? Story. What's going on? You will find out today. Japan is converting kinetic energy from footsteps into electricity through piezoelectric technology. We're finding out first what's kinetic energy, and then we're finding out what's piezoelectric technology. What is kinetic energy? If you know, it's okay. Simply said, it's the energy of motion. Every moving object possesses kinetic energy. For example, a basketball. The faster you dribble it, the more kinetic energy it transfers to the ground upon impact. I think that's a pretty visual example. The amount of kinetic energy depends on an object's mass and energy. What is piezoelectric technology, and what are piezoelectric tiles? Piezoelectricity is the ability of certain materials, for example, synthetic piezoceramics, quartz, and many more, to generate electricity when subjected to mechanical deformation caused by pressure, bending, or vibrations. Everything that basically happens when you walk over them. When Japan is this technology used? Of course, at high traffic places, because there are the most people walking. They have primarily tested it at Shibuya station, near the ticket gates, and at Tokyo station under the commuter ticket gates. What is it used for? They primarily power LED displays, electronic ticketing systems, and information boards with it. They also use it for seasonal illumination displays. Number round. Let's take Shibuya station as an example. The tiles generate 0.1 watts for 1 second step. So there are around 2.4 million pedestrians passing the Shibuya station every day. So let's say every person does 3 1-second steps. I mean, a step is normally not 1 second long, is it? I don't know. But we're saying every person does 3 1-second steps through the ticketing gate, which means that there's 3 seconds they are spending on the tiles, right? That's 2.4 million people times 3 steps per person. That's 7.2 million steps. Now let's multiply the 7.2 million steps with 0.1 watt of power. That makes 720,000 watt seconds a day. Why seconds? Because if you step on a tile for 1 second, it gives you 0.1 watts for 1 second. Okay? Does it make sense to you? So we need to divide our 720,000 watt seconds with 3,600 because 1 hour has 3,600 seconds. That's 200 watt hours. This is the power we get each day. It's 200 watt hours. With that, you could charge your phone 50 to 20 times. Like, these are just examples what you could do with this energy privately. Get 20 hours of light from a regular LED light bulb, or boil water in your kettle for 6 minutes. Right, that's not a lot, the 6 minutes, right? But yes, kettles are actually power guzzlers. It's ridiculous. I mean, even your blow dryer needs less energy. This is the footsteps turned into electricity by piezoelectric tiles. That's that. Now you know. This is it. See you again soon. Goodbye. Oh, my shoulder. What? Kinetic energy. That's what's happening. This is such a weird word. Piezoelectric. Where in Japan is this technology used? I just read weed. What? It's saying used. But it's making it so aesthetic and beautiful. Did I even hit record? Oh my god, it's always the same question. Yeah, I did. 7 into electricity by